what else are you guys looking for? Your eyes are open, of course, for other technologies. Is there anything else that, maybe is fun that you guys are looking at, or you've seen that you want to mention?
Well, yeah, the other area that we're really into is that blockchain technology. I know that's in your wheelhouse. And the cryptocurrency. When people think of blockchain, they instantly think of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and all that. But blockchain's much more than that. And it's going to be utilized in all kinds of industries. So it's something we have expertise in these areas and in the mining as well. And we found that with all our research, the biggest expense is power in all these mining rigs, that are they're part of the decentralized network, and they're carrying out the calculations for the transactions to occur. And that network eats up a lot of power, and these computers also put off a tremendous amount of heat. And so there's an added expense for cooling down the room with HVAC systems and air conditioning and blowers and fans. And we thought, this is a great opportunity for us to utilize our wind turbine as well as, solar, combine those together to be able to have a really low power costs and green power for running these mining machines. So we have plans to do that as well. And we even took it a step further, where we felt that if we could create a mining center, data center inside of like a geodesic dome, and the heat is able to come up, we can then force that into other smaller geodesic domes like greenhouses and things like this, and have sort of a green energy mining concept, and that's what we called it, GEM for short. And its information's about that is on our website as well. But that's something that we're putting into motion as well right now, and also creating some of the decentralized apps that will be able to connect to our wind turbines to collect data and troubleshoot. Also be able to check on the smart appliance, the Internet of Things with the washing machines and that sort of stuff. So we've got that whole division happening as well right now, and that's quite exciting too.
Yeah. No, I mean, look, you touched on so many things. Mining, you're starting to see a lot of cannabis and mining come together because, of course, it's heat, greenhouses. You already touched on it. That's definitely becoming a thing. But you nailed it. Look, mining. A lot of people look at, you need cheap energy to have a successful mining operation. That's why you've got people that will, typically go in a climate that's a little cooler. You see a lot, in Canada, at least northern-ish Canada, northern prairies, where there's wind that can blow through. You see it in Europe as well, and all these places where they can lower their electric costs. The HVAC is a big component of that. So cool. A lot of interesting technologies. I think for people watching this, are like, oh well, what's happening? Those are some very hot topics, which is awesome.